I think I found my way up here. Dude, this is scary. I'm not sure what you're saying. I'm slipping. Just give me a second. Yeah, headed on the roof, guys. Oh. Headed on the house.
You like my house?
Okay, this is where we are right now. Hi, cat. There's the cat. Let's go this way. Oh, all right. Okay, hope this is sturdy. Here we are on this. Where should we climb next? Let's get down from here. Alright.
I have the kidneys though.
Let's try to get down without falling.
This is my best option for a chair.
Okay, getting down. Okay, this. I'm gonna try to get down without falling.
Oh good. There's
Oh, this isn't stable. What I'm about to do, not a good idea. At all. Climb. Not a good idea. Dude, I'm gonna slip and fall. Why do I do the things that I do? Well, first, is this even safe?
there's Owen climbing off the board.
Okay. I'm just gonna see if I can. I don't think I can climb up this without falling. Actually. Alright, guys. I'm trying here. Alright, guys. I'm up here on the roof. Dangerous. I'll try it at home. Guys, I'm on the roof. I'm on the roof of the barn. Just walking. Jeez, that was scary. Slipped. Okay. Hope my phone doesn't die while I do this. But I'm up here, guys. I want to climb up here, but I also don't want to die today, so here we are up here.
Hi, Owen.
Hi.
But you're at Owen that Owen's on the roof.
On the roof, guys. I'm not gonna even try going up there though, but I'm up here. Okay, I'm gonna attempt to get down from here. I'm walking very slowly. Wow, that was farther than I thought. Okay, Max is up here, guys. I can't climb up here because, you know, too high, and there might be a way I can do it, but too risky because me and Max could both just slide off. Oops. Oh yeah, it's the roof up there. Down there.
Are you recording? Just saw a wasp and we're by a bunch of nests.
Great. Yeah, guys, there's a lot of beehives. There's a lot of beehives. I really don't want to get stung by a bee up here. Alright. Horsey, we have to go now. Say goodbye. Say goodbye. Alright, guys. That's it for the farm. I climbed up on the roof and I climbed on that thing. But, bye, horse. Come on, turn off.